So I hope you all are safe and sound during this pandemic hours. So yeah, in this video I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna dye my hair, as I've been thinking a lot to dye my hair for so long, and I got this opportunity since it's a lockdown and I've got nothing to do and it's quite boring staying indoor. So yeah, I just had a thought that I should dye my hair and have some little changes in me. Now I finally decided to dye my hair, and I guess everyone is doing such things like cutting their hair or like doing their best to make their lockdown excitement, like full of excitement. No one is wasting their time, right? And I just had a thought to dye my hair. A few days ago I just cut my hair like this. So now let's dye my hair. So first thing I choose the color is this one, like it's a blue sapphire color. I personally choose this color because I felt like this will suit me well, because not long years ago I just dyed my hair into red. Last year only I just colored my hair, like I highlighted it salon. So yeah, and for the yellow I didn't choose that because you know, when you dyed your hair and it will ultimately turn into yellow when it fades away, and it will fade away no matter what, it's gonna be fade away, I'm sure. So that's why I personally choose this color, because I feel like I never tried this one before. So yeah, before I start the video, I'm gonna remind you that I please you to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the post notifications. And if you wish to dye your hair at home, then you can get this, oh god, sorry, then you will get this product in the Amazon online so easily, and in Amazon also it's there, and in Flipkart also it's there, so you will get it easily, and it's just for rupees 160. Just go and check them out. Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous that I never dye my hair or like never highlighted my hair at home. So I personally so really nervous. It's my first time doing it. I don't know how it will come out or like how it will look at last. So if you are curious or like wanted to see how it's gonna be look, so keep watching. So yeah, I'm here now. At first I was really confused that I should go for whole hair or like I should partially dye it or like something that. But now I came to a conclusion that I should dye my hair partially, because you know it doesn't look good if you dye whole hair or something. Now I'm gonna go for only partial hair, like only few hairs I'm gonna take and then I'm gonna dye, or like only lower part. And recently I just cut my hair, so I don't have a long hair, so I guess this one packet will be enough for my hair, because I don't have a thick or like no, not thick, not thin, it's a medium, so I guess one packet is enough for me. So now it's 9:45 a.m. so I'm gonna do so for the first thing you need to have all the stuff, like I got this bowl and this aluminum sheet to wrap your hair while coloring, and for the rest of the things it's already there inside, like brushes and like color and like developer and like blonder, everything is inside this. In this small packet you will get everything, so you don't need to worry. And if you don't know the protocol or something, then you can easily read it over here, or else you will get it inside this. You will get all the protocol inside this, in this like in protocol sheet. So I'm not gonna explain all this procedure, so yeah, let's begin. So yeah, one thing is that I have to do this in a two-step. It consists of two steps. First step is it will color your hair partially into yellow, and after that it's gonna be absorb all this blue color and it will turn into blue, because I just recently saw the review of this. So yeah, I'm gonna read the protocol because I haven't read it yet. So yeah, as you can see, it's already there. It's for first step. It contains developer and blonder, yeah, mixed blonder. And in second step you will have a colorant cream, and you will also have the conditioner and a gloves and a brush. So yeah, now let's start our color. Just change your clothes into like old clothes which you don't want to stain, you don't want to get any stain. So yeah, let's get changed. Here I'm back with my different dress. So now I'm gonna put my hair into like this. So first I'm going to comb this much. Let's move on to the next step. So yeah, now this is my outlook after done with my first step, and the color came out so well, pretty good. And I kind of like it. It's turned into yellowish. So now in the next step, I'm gonna put this colorant. I'm gonna apply this on my hair so that it will turn into blue color, which I want. So yeah, let's do this. I can rarely see the blue colors as it doesn't absorb that well, I guess. Only some part of my hair got stained well and some haven't. Even the bluish color looks like greenish type. Maybe I couldn't apply it well because it's my first time I dyed my own hair at home especially. But yeah, I kind of like this color, like it's like good to go outside. So I can run with this color also. It doesn't match my expectation, still it's looking good. So yeah, I'm happy with this color and I can go outside with this color because it's looking pretty enough for my hair. It's not that worst. So yeah, if you like my video, then please make sure to like, share and